welcome to our channel. Today we're just going to give you a quick tour of the Seaside All Suites Hotel, which is in Collins Avenue in Miami Beach. So you're looking at around £110 a night or something like this. This is the lounge area. We're about a 2-minute walk from the beach, and parking is free, which is fantastic. A lot of the hotels in Miami will charge you as much as $44 a day just to park your car. So apparently this whole thing opened a couple of weeks ago. It has a very modern and clean feel to it. So you have a safe, which is great. This is your bedroom. Another big screen. The hotel do provide towels, chairs and even sun umbrellas free for use on the beach, which is really good. And also what I really like is you've got a full washer dryer, so you can get all your clothes and towels all sorted for the rest of your holiday. I think this is amazing value. Wow, absolutely awesome. Plenty of storage. That is covered there. That one has your aircon unit, and in here got a really big cupboard for all your suitcases and things. Look at that kitchen. So please like, share and subscribe, and come back for a whole lot more on this channel. Bye bye.